I'll throw it
Yeah,
to Joe, but we're definitely excited by the fact that less people are looking at that area. So
Yeah,
that's a positive from our perspective. Yeah.
yeah,
I couldn't agree more. I think what you're describing again is a great environment to invest in.
yeah,
Like so I think we could talk a lot about how fintech has evolved, and
mm,
I think it's a really great or interesting space. But I think if you just take a step back, like financial services is one of, if not the biggest industry globally.
mm,
Financial services is about $11 trillion every year in terms of
yeah,
it's huge. And it's, as an investor, that's firstly amazing. Obviously, you want to invest in big markets in big spaces.
yeah,
But at the same time, it's a huge market, but it's massively underpenetrated by new.
mm,
So of that $11 trillion, about 94, 95% is in legacy infrastructure. So we've got the maths and we've got the data to support this. But what you call modern fintech is roughly 5 or 6% of the market. So companies
mm,
like Stripe, Adyen, Nubank, Coinbase, Wise, these guys, if you take all the market caps together, it's still only about 5 or 6%. So we really strongly believe, and actually, if you go back about 20 years, that 6% was zero. So
yeah,
essentially, we've gone from 0 to 6 in about 20 years, and our core belief is 6 is going to become a lot bigger in the future. We'll probably go to 12, go to 15, 20. It's inevitable that this huge market is going to get penetrated further and further by modern solutions. So just that like core backdrop of you have this huge growth driver behind you of legacy becoming new age, I think makes fintech and the size, just the absolute scale of this market. I think most
mm,
investors would find those very compelling fundamental drivers to invest behind, like long-term growth drivers.